Hey, I'm Bryson with Trick Tools, and here with me is our new line of benches from Badass Workbench. These benches are heavy duty and are built to last a lifetime. They come with a lifetime warranty on all the parts of the bench. So these benches are configured with drawers for extra storage in your shop. The frames are built on 4x4 legs with leveling feet on the bottom that we can get it set up and dialed in exactly where you want it. The frames are powder coated. Make sure that it's not going to rust and wear out on you. You get that nice finish. The sides of the benches have diamond plate on them. The back has a panel on it too, just to help contain any mess from either getting in the drawers or anything getting behind there either. So the bench top here, this is a 3/8 thick steel top with a backsplash on it. It has a receiver mount welded on each end to be able to accept any of our universal mounts that we have to mount different vices, grinders, and other tools that we have options for. So you can also get an optional 1/2-inch thick top that does not have a backsplash on it, but it gives you that little bit of thicker top to be able to really do some heavy duty work on it. So also on the frame on these is forklift rails on each end, to where if you want to be able to pick it up and move it easily with your forklift, you can just slide it right in and you have a place to pick it up from. The frame also features optional placement for casters. So if you want casters on it, they do bolt on, but keeping your leveling feet, that way you can still level it out and then move it around if you need to. So from there, the 6-foot model here has 8 drawers. So these are swivel drawers that swing out to the side, with the bigger drawers featuring up to 450-pound capacity. The swivel mount here features a 1-inch rod that goes down through. You get a grease-zert fitting in each one of the drawers that you can lubricate it and make sure it's swinging properly. And then each one of the drawers also has this rubber liner in here to be able to keep your tools or whatever items you have in here in place. So optional in this drawer, we have drawer dividers available for this 3-inch drawer as well as for the 6-inch drawers, and these are all configurable. You can move them around to be able to set up custom storage for your application. So like I said, we have those available for the 3-inch and the 6-inch model drawers. This bottom drawer is a 9-inch tall drawer. On the 8-foot bench here, we have the same drawer configuration on this side, and then it also has this power drawer which features a couple of shelves in here. There's a hole in the back that's made for routing cables through, so you can put your battery chargers and that sort of thing, and free up your bench top of any cables and wires and that sort of thing to be able to give yourself a nice clean work surface. So like I said, these drawers have a pretty heavy weight capacity, so I mean, they're heavy enough to be able to stand in. I'm 185 pounds and there's no problem there, even with all the weight in there to be able to swing it. So so if you're interested in a workbench and you maybe don't want all the drawers that these have in it, we do have a solution for you as well. So to go along with the extreme duty workbenches is the SD line of extreme duty workbenches. And these ones only feature the drawers on the upper section here, with a heavy duty racking on the bottom to be able to give you some storage for some larger items. And it's a pallet style racking so that they don't collect dust. You got things that you want to put in there that you want to keep right next to your work area, but you want easy cleaning as far as not having to clean what's on that shelf all the time. So that's a good feature. All the other configurables are the same as far as the optional 1/2-inch worktop. This is the 3/8 worktop with the backsplash. Same powder coated style frame, the leveling feet. You can put the optional casters on it, still put the optional the drawer organization in here to be able to set your drawers up how you want them. So you still get the rails in here for the forklifts. So There's a lot that you can do with both of these styles of workbenches. And the best thing about these is that while these are our standard models, these are extremely customizable and configurable to your application, what you desire. So they have over 100 different colors of powder coat that you can choose from. There's 20 different drawer configurations between this model and the regular model of the Extreme Duty Workbench. So you can really make it fit the work that you're doing in your shop. So for more information on these badass workbench, Extreme Duty workbenches, and also the SD model, give us a call or visit our website at Trick-Tools.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on high performance tools for the fabricator.